Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alice and hope you're all doing well, and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you this quick and simple DIY on how I upcycled this all-in-one magazine rack, side table and storage chest from mahogany into something beautiful. Stay tuned. So this is the magazine storage table that I'm going to upcycle today, and I actually had a look online and I saw that they were going for over £100, but I got this from the marketplace for less than that, obviously. So this magazine storage table can be used anywhere in your home. You can use it in the living room, you can use it in your bedroom, and they also provide like additional storage where where you lack storage. So I went ahead with the filler and just filled out any areas that needed filling, and then I removed all the drawer handles because I was going to reuse them, and gave the storage table a quick sanding down. Then you can use like a sugar solution or soapy water and just clean it and make sure it's dry before moving on to painting. I use blackboard paint to paint the storage table. Just make sure you mix it very well before going ahead to painting it. I will list everything that I've used for this DIY in the description box below. I use a combination of the paintbrush and roller to paint the storage table. So this is how the magazine table turned out. I did 2 coats for it to turn out like this. I also use clear finishing wax to protect the table. So just apply in a circular motion, and then once that is done, wait for 15 or 20 minutes and then give it a quick clean with soapy water. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're into DIY, lifestyle, fashion and interior decor, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get updated every single time I upload a new video. And for those who've been with me since the beginning, thank you so much for sticking around. Then I went ahead and put back all the drawer handles. So this is how it turned out. I am quite pleased. What do you guys think? Leave your comment below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and also you can hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.